Are you tired of spending countless hours on the treadmill or stationary bike and yet you're not seeing the results you want? What if I told you there was a way to get incredible cardio benefits in just 5 minutes a day without even breaking a sweat? The best part, it doesn't require any high-intensity effort. So whether you're a busy professional, a new parent, or someone who simply hates working out, this routine is perfect for you. So grab a water bottle, a chair, and get ready to discover the secret to effortless cardio. Yes, you heard me right. Just 5 minutes. Here are some of the incredible benefits of low-intensity cardio. Whether you're a beginner, someone with physical limitations, or simply prefer a more relaxed approach to exercise, low-intensity cardio provides a gentle yet effective way to stay active and improve your well-being. So lace up your shoes, go for a walk, cycle, or engage in any low-intensity activity that brings you joy. Your heart and overall health will thank you for it. It's gentle on your joints. Low-impact activities like walking and cycling are easier on your joints compared to high-impact exercises such as running. This makes it an excellent option for people of all ages or those with joint pain or injuries. Low-intensity cardio improves cardiovascular health by keeping your heart rate within a healthy range. Low-intensity cardio strengthens your heart and improves blood circulation. It can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke and enhance overall cardiovascular health. Low-intensity cardio is excellent for weight management. While it may not lead to rapid weight loss, it can contribute to a reduction in body fat and help maintain a healthy weight over time. The combination of increased calorie expenditure and improved metabolic rate can aid in weight management efforts. It enhances endurance and stamina. Low-intensity cardio helps improve your body's endurance and stamina by gradually increasing the time you can sustain physical activity without undue fatigue. This can be particularly beneficial for those who want to increase their stamina for other activities, such as hiking or playing sports. Low-intensity cardio improves mental health. Exercise in general, including low-intensity cardio, has been shown to have numerous mental health benefits. It releases endorphins that elevate mood, reduce stress and anxiety, and improve overall mental well-being. Low-intensity cardio is versatile and convenient. Unlike high-intensity workouts, low-intensity cardio can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Activities like walking can be done almost anywhere, making it a convenient option for people with busy schedules. In this video, we will reveal the 5-minute cardio killer that has been proven to boost metabolism, improve endurance, and burn calories like crazy. This means you can easily hold a conversation while engaged in the activity. Examples of low-intensity cardio include walking, cycling, elliptical training, and rowing. These activities are much more accessible to beginners or those with physical limitations, and can be done for longer durations without risking injury or overtraining. High-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT, has gained immense popularity in recent years due to its effectiveness in burning calories and improving cardiovascular fitness in a short amount of time. However, not everyone enjoys or can perform high-intensity exercises. Some individuals may have physical limitations, health concerns, or simply prefer a more relaxed approach to fitness. Fortunately, there are ways to achieve similar results with low-intensity cardio. Low-intensity cardio refers to any form of cardiovascular exercise that is performed at a low-intensity level. To perform low-intensity cardio, it's important to keep your heart rate within a specific range. You should aim to keep your heart rate between 50 to 60% of your maximum heart rate. You can calculate your maximum heart rate by subtracting your age from 200. For instance, if you are 30 years old, your maximum heart rate would be 190 beats per minute. Therefore, your target heart rate zone would be between 95 and 114 beats per minute. Staying within this heart rate zone ensures that you are getting the benefits of cardio exercise without pushing yourself too hard. You should be able to talk comfortably without gasping for breath. If you find yourself struggling to speak, it means you are working too intensely and need to lower the intensity. One of the key benefits of low-intensity cardio is that it can help improve your overall health and fitness levels without putting undue stress on your body. In conclusion, low-intensity cardio offers a multitude of benefits for individuals looking to improve their cardiovascular health and overall fitness without the intensity of high-intensity interval training.